Today, Chef a la Mode is in Bogota, Colombia, and we are thrilled to be here to launch the new chefwear collection 2012-2013. Inspiration for these designs were derived from the essential elements in nature: earth, wind, fire, and water. uniforms are modern, fashionable, prestigious, cool and comfortable and durable. And we've labeled this clothing haute couture for haute cuisine. Beautiful in every aspect: design, cut, the textures, the workmanship, and the fit. When you buy a garment from Chef à la Mode, it's the result of a passionate collaboration between designer, textile mill, seamstress, and the inspiration of a chef who speaks through that perfect recipe. And the result is managing to elevate the art of the uniform to equal the art of cuisine. So simply elegant chefwear. At Chef à la Mode, we're convinced that the uniform is not only a garment of work, but it's a garment of image. Our chefwear is an aspiration, it's a goal, it's a dream. It parallels the evolution of the chef from first job to distinguished career. Our mission is to bring innovative design, befitting the runway, to the highest quality, handcrafted chefwear available for the American kitchen, both for the professional chef and the aspiring young apprentice. We are Chef à la Mode, and we are very proud to present the beautiful chef uniforms of Colombia Chef to the American market.